How are you feeling now, sir?
I didn't get to drink this.
What he's only interested is whether he gets to drink. What about beautiful Diana? How are you feeling right now? Nervous, but you look very gorgeous. Now, ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you on the stage is our very dashing groom, Duncan, and our gorgeous bride, Diana. We hereby congratulate you for tying the knot. And we all wish both of you to have a very endearing, endless, and everlasting marriage and love together as husband and wife forever and ever. 各位来宾，现在站在台上的就是我们这个金童玉女、郎才女貌的天造地设的一对。当他们踏入红地毯的那一刻，我们在这里就祝福他们从此风雨同路，形影不离。有情人终成眷属，再次热烈掌声，恭喜他们，祝福他们。And now, dear friends, Duncan and Diana, they are going to conduct the first, most important segment for tonight's program, which is the cake cutting ceremony. So Duncan and Diana, could you please proceed to the table there? Now, ladies and gentlemen, get ready with your handphone, iPhone, video, camera, whatever. This is the best moment for you to capture the wonderful, lovely moment. Duncan, hold on first. Don't. Put down the knife first. Okay. Don't do anything first until I say go. All right? Thank you so much for your cooperation. Now, ladies and gentlemen, please allow me to explain a little bit. What is the meaning of cake cutting? Cake cutting symbolizes the first task in this couple's life as husband and wife, hand in hand. It also signifies their commitment towards each other. Duncan and Diana, as you cut the cake later, it will bring you to a new chapter in life. Two hearts that beat as one. Two souls with a common goal. Experiencing the life journey together, enjoying all the happiness together, and conquering all the obstacles together, hand in hand, heart to heart. Now, 各位来宾，请容许我解释一下，我们现在切蛋糕是代表什么？他们现在即将携手同心的切开这个香甜美美、洁白芬芳的百年好合结婚大喜蛋糕，这也代表了他们对爱情、对婚姻永恒坚固的宣誓，也代表了这对新人对未来美好新生活的幸福剪彩。OK， 让我们一起为他们 count down， 好吗 ？Duncan and Diana, at the count of 3, count down. You may take the knife and cut the cake. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let's shout together, okay? 3, 2, 1. Okay, now, thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Duncan and Diana, can you let me proceed to the center of the stage, right? Can you hear the background music just now? It's Come What May. Have you all watched that movie? Did you watch it, Duncan? Did you watch the movie? You sure? You watched with Diana or not? No. No? Oh, okay, never mind. Anyway, this is it's okay. But I feel that maybe your feeling right now is something like what the lyrics goes. Remember, Come What May, the beautiful song? Suddenly, your world seems to be such a perfect place. Suddenly, your world moves with such a perfect grace. Suddenly, your life doesn't seem to be such a waste because you have found each other. Come what may, you will love each other till the end of your very day. You may kiss the bride. Hey, what is this? Kiss lah, some romantic kiss kan or not? Yeah! Woo! Oh, okay. Thank you so much. Now, Duncan, I really want to congratulate you because now you have been promoted. Sekarang engkau sudah dinaik pangkat. Now you have been promoted to become the husband of the house. But I just want to remind you, you are the CEO of the house, but your wife Diana is the speaker. Right? You have to accept the fact. And although you are the head of the family, kepala, the head of the family, but remember, your wife is the neck. The neck controls the movement of the head. So all the best. Good luck to you, okay? Now for Diana, actually just now I came early. So I met one of your relatives, is an old uncle. Sorry, I didn't get his name. He told me this, he said, Grace, you must share with Diana this very important message, which I'd like to share with you as well as all of you here. He said, Diana, finding a good husband is not easy. Finding a good husband is like finding a good bra. Bra? Ladies, we know it's very difficult to find a suitable bra. But if you find it, your good bra is very comfortable, very supportive. And the bra will always keep you up, never let you down, and never leave you upside down. Most importantly, the good bra is very close to your heart. And I'm sure you have found a good you have found a good husband who will always support you and always lift you up and never let you down. Right now, Duncan?
Yes.
Yes, of course, ladies and gentlemen, another round of applause for both of them. Thank you so much. This is such a lovely couple. Just take a look at this logo. Hello Kitty, I'm sure you've seen a lot of collection out there. I think this is a private collection of Diana. And of course Duncan has no choice but also became a big fan of Hello Kitty, but it's so wonderful, so cute, this two couple. And thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, for your attention. And now before I forget, now I remember. Just now attention please, ladies and gentlemen. Duncan told me that he needs some airtime. He wants to make a very important, very urgent announcement. I don't know if he sounded very serious, but I've never seen him so serious before. So, I will pass the mic to him and see what he has got to say. Is there something special you want to tell us or something serious?
Dinner is served.
Yay! Dinner is served! Fantastic, thank you so much, boss, for your official approval. And now, again, with a round of big applause, we will actually welcome Duncan and Diana to go down the stage. Please assume your seat at your VIP tables. Another round of applause to them, ladies and gentlemen. Fantastic, ladies and gentlemen. As Duncan has mentioned, the dinner shall be served right now. And we wish that you can enjoy and savor the beautiful food that we have presented to you. And at the same time, please enjoy the ambience, the cozy mood, and the love lights. 那各位来宾，我们今晚的晚宴即将开始。我们希望大家能够尽心尽意的欣赏我们所为你呈现的美味佳肴。Now presenting to you the first dish, ladies and gentlemen. Let us welcome the banquet team of Empire